Step into a world where healing springs meet charming architecture. Welcome to Karlovy Vary, the enchanting Czech spa town that has been soothing souls for centuries. Discover the rejuvenating blend of wellness and beauty that beckons travelers from around the globe. Here are the best things to do in Karlovy Vary, Czech Republic. Number 9. The Colonnades of Karlovy Vary. As you begin your Karlovy Vary adventure, ensure to visit the Mill Colonnade, a neo-Renaissance marvel that has graced the city since the 1880s. But don't just admire its architecture, indulge in the therapeutic properties of 3 different mineral springs housed within. Next up, behold the elegance of the Market Colonnade, adorned with meticulously carved wooden designs. Beneath its historical building, the Charles IV spring and 2 other mineral springs await, ready to offer their healing benefits. Moving on to the Castle Colonnade, experience its grandeur as you stroll through this captivating structure. For a more modern experience, head to the Hot Spring Colonnade. Here, you can absorb the healing powers of thermal waters, making it the perfect spot for relaxation and rejuvenation. Lastly, explore the charm of the Park Colonnade, where nature's beauty meets man-made marvels, blending seamlessly with Karlovy Vary's idyllic surroundings. Number 8. Church of St. Peter and Paul. The Orthodox Church of St. Peter and Paul perfectly blends spirituality, history, and architectural grandeur, making it a fantastic place worth exploring. Step inside this magnificent Eastern Orthodox cathedral and you'll be immersed in a profound worship experience. Marvel at the exquisite wooden Majolica iconostas adorned with oil icons of saints, adding to the sacred ambience. This cathedral will also enthrall you with its recent renovation, enhancing its allure among Czech Republic's tourism spots. As you explore, you'll find every corner echoing tales of the past and every detail reflecting the rich heritage of this place. Visiting this place is not just about witnessing age-old traditions or finding spiritual solace. It's about appreciating centuries of artistic dedication and expertise that have gone into creating this religious masterpiece. Number 7. Diana Lookout Tower. At the Diana Lookout Tower, you are in for an extraordinary experience that goes beyond just admiring the jaw-dropping panoramic views. Once at the top, take a moment to savor the fresh air and feel the serenity that envelops the tower. The historic cable car ride itself is a delightful journey, enhancing your adventure. If you need a deeper connection with nature, the surrounding signposted hiking trails offer a chance to fully take in the irresistible beauty of the area. Stroll through the nature reserve and with each step witness the stunning landscape unravel before your eyes. You can also explore the adjacent historic hunting lodge. The lodge adds a sense of timelessness to the visit, letting you envision the past while surrounded by the present-day beauty of Karlovy Vary. Number 6. Church of St. Mary Magdalene. Make the Church of St. Mary Magdalene the next stop on your Karlovy Vary exploration. The striking Gothic architecture, designed by renowned architect Dietzenhofer, will leave you in awe. Step inside to discover the beautifully adorned interior featuring a precious altarpiece and other religious art. As a religious site and historical landmark, this magnificent Baroque-style building holds immense significance. The church also offers visitors a range of enriching experiences. Attend a soul-stirring mass or soak up the soothing chants of a choir performance. The church often hosts classical music concerts that echo through its hallowed halls, providing an unforgettable auditory treat. Moreover, the church premises boast picturesque gardens where you can take a leisurely stroll, surrounded by the tranquility of nature. The calm atmosphere encourages quiet contemplation, making it an ideal spot to pause and meditate amidst your exploration. By the way, check the links in the description for recommended tour operators that will enhance your Karlovy Vary experience and save you valuable time and effort. Number 5. Loket Castle. Just 8 miles away from Karlovy Vary, Loket Castle offers a truly magical ambiance, perfect for anyone seeking a unique and memorable travel adventure. Perched on a rocky hill, this prime example of Romanesque architecture offers astonishing wide views of the surrounding area. The famous spa town boasts a formidable site with its massive rock formations surrounding 3 sides. When you visit, explore the castle's many rooms and chambers, including the Great Hall, the Chapel of St. Catherine, and the Torture Chamber. Don't miss the chance to visit the museum displaying a fascinating collection of weapons, armor, and historical artifacts. For an unforgettable experience, take a walk around the castle walls to enjoy the mesmerizing views, stretching as far as your eyes can see. Number 4. Hot Springs of Karlovy Vary. Karlovy Vary is called a spa city for a reason, and it's evident in the amazing number of hot springs it boasts. With 13 thermal springs and 300 other minor springs, the city is a haven for anyone seeking relaxation and rejuvenation. The most famous hot spring in Karlovy Vary is called Vyšidlo, and it's known for gushing water at an impressive temperature of 162 degrees Fahrenheit. This natural wonder not only offers a unique bathing experience but also provides numerous health benefits due to its rich mineral content. As you explore the hot springs resort, make sure to indulge in various spa treatments that utilize these natural minerals to enhance your well-being. Pamper yourself with invigorating mud wraps, soothing massages, and mineral-rich facials. Stroll along the picturesque colonnades while sipping from the spring fountains to enjoy the water's healing properties. Number 3. Grandhotel Pupp. When a hotel has successfully achieved the status of a top tourist attraction, you know the experience will be extraordinary. The Grandhotel Pupp is the epitome of luxury and history, making it an essential destination for travelers seeking an elegant and unforgettable stay. As you step into the historic building, you'll feel like a VIP guest. The hotel's riverside location adds to its charm, creating a unique experience that will leave you feeling like a celebrity. Visitors to the Grandhotel Pupp are in for a treat. The range of activities and amenities available cater to every taste and preference. Whether you're looking for relaxation or adventure, this hotel has it all. Indulge in the Spa and Wellness Center, where you can enjoy rejuvenating treatments and take a dip in the inviting pools. The dining experiences are exceptional, with a variety of restaurants serving delectable dishes prepared by world-class chefs. Even if you're not a guest of the hotel, the magnificent architecture of the building makes for a beautiful Instagram photo. Number 2. Goethe's Tower. Don't miss Goethe's Tower, an entrancing attraction offering sweeping views from the top, which allows you to take in the scenic beauty of the surrounding area. Before ascending the tower, make sure to stop by the cozy cafe on the ground floor for some refreshments and relaxation. To fully enjoy your visit, take advantage of the 1-hour hiking trail through the forest leading to the tower. This invigorating hike allows you to connect with nature and appreciate the majestic landscape along the way. The well-maintained trail is suitable for all skill levels, making it accessible and enjoyable for everyone. Once at the top, you'll be captivated by the architectural marvel of the tower, which was crafted by renowned Viennese architects. The impressive design adds an extra layer of allure to this attraction, making it a perfect spot for a peaceful retreat or a moment of contemplation. Number 1. Christmas House. Welcome to Christmas House, the perfect destination to immerse yourself in the holiday spirit. As the only one of its kind in the Czech Republic, this unique mansion is a year-round celebration of Christmas joy. When you step inside, you'll be greeted by a delightful collection of teddy bears from around the globe. These cuddly companions range from classic to contemporary, each exquisitely dressed with attention to detail. The Christmas house is a true winter wonderland, and you'll feel like you've stepped into a magical fairy tale. Amidst the adorable stuffed animals, the entire space is adorned with enchanting Christmas decorations that create an atmosphere of pure delight. Whether you're a child or simply young at heart, this experience is guaranteed to bring a smile to your face. Click here for more things to do in the Czech Republic.